How to fix Windows Update error code 0x80070658 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are trying to install Windows latest update and having error, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is press Win plus R shortcut key to launch Run dialog box, and here type services.msc and click on OK. It will open services windows in your system, and here start or restart various Windows Update related services. And the first one is background intelligent transfer services. Right click on it and choose start. If you already found it in a start mode, then restart it, otherwise start it. Thereafter, apply a double click on it to open its properties windows and set a startup type as automatic, and choose apply and changes. The second services you should start or restart is cryptographic service. Look for cryptographic service, same procedure, right click on it, choose start, and if you found already in a start mode, then restart it. Open its properties windows and set the startup type as automatic and choose apply and OK to save the changes. And the third one is Windows Update services. Right click on it, choose start or restart, and set a startup type as automatic. Open its properties windows and set a startup type as automatic. Apply and OK to save the changes. And after that, check whether your Windows Update error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, open by pressing Win plus R shortcut key, and here type ms configuration. Clean boot your system. ms config and click on OK. It will open system configuration window, and here go to the services tab from the top menu bar and make the check against option hide all Microsoft services and choose disable all. Thereafter go to a startup tab from the top menu bar and open task manager, and here under processes tab startup apps, look for all startup apps in your system. Simply right click on it and choose disable. Manually disable all the startup apps in your system. After that, close the windows. Apply this procedure for all the open enabled startup apps and choose apply and OK to save the changes. And check whether your Windows Update error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows settings by pressing Win plus I, and here from the left side go to system. Thereafter go to right side and look for troubleshoot. Click on it, choose other troubleshooters, and here run the Windows Update troubleshoot. Click on run button against Windows Update and let the complete the troubleshooting process. This is an important tool, inbuilt tool in Windows system, and it will not only detect the issue, resolve them accordingly. After that, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Apply a disk cleanup. Go to Windows search, type disk cleanup and open disk cleanup. Select the drive you want to clean up. Choose your system drive and click on OK. And make the check against option various type of recycle bin, thumbnails, temporary files, and choose OK. A pop-up window will appear. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Choose delete files. And after that, check whether your Windows Update error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search and type cmd and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode, and here execute dism tool to scan your system health. Execute these three DISM tool as shown on screen: DISM online scanhealth, DISM online checkhealth, and DISM online restorehealth. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt windows to scan health, to check health, and to restore health of your system. Thereafter, execute the command sfc scan now, sfc/scan now, and press enter and wait till 100% verification completed. It will scan your system for any corrupted files and repair them accordingly. After that, restart your system. Don't forget to restart your system and check whether your Windows Update error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Run Windows Update components on the same command prompt windows. Execute some Windows Update components. One by one, execute all the commands as shown on screen. First, execute these four commands. As shown on screen, these four commands to stop these four services. One by one, execute this command. First, stop these services. Press enter on each time. Thereafter, execute this command. All this command path will also available in my video's description box. You may copy from there. Execute all the command one by one, followed by enter key on each time. And thereafter, execute these four commands to start all the services which you have earlier stopped them. One by one, execute this command, followed by enter key on each time. And after that, close the window. After successfully execution of all these commands, close command prompt windows and don't forget to restart your system. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go manually download and install Windows Update. Go to your Google Chrome browser and here type Microsoft Update Catalog. Open first result, Microsoft Update Catalog, and here under search field type your KV update which you want to download and install, and look for search and manually download and install Windows latest update through Microsoft Update Catalog in your system.